On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to add a little bit of style on your kitchen island's face by adding these easy to install wooden slat panels. So stay tuned. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, please consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. I'd like to say thank you to the Wood Veneer Hub for sponsoring today's video and providing us with the wooden slat panels that we'll be installing later on. But first, we're going to be installing this plywood face. This is 1/4 inch in size. We're going to be installing this so that we can have something to attach the panels later on. I'd like to say thank you to my father-in-law for helping with me with this project. We are just now cutting everything to size. Now it's as easy as just sliding this plywood board underneath the island, just so that we can have a nice clean surface to work on. And we're going to be securing this with a brad nailer later on. It's up to you how do you want to secure it. Now here are the wooden slat panels that came from the Wood Veneer Hub. We chose the natural oak color. There's other colors to choose from natural walnut, natural oak, and smoke oak as well. Just go and check out their website. I'll leave the link on the description down below and check out their website for that. I'm just using my Kreg AccuCut to cut a straight line, and I highly suggest that you put a bit of masking tape right over where you're going to cut to prevent any kind of tear outs. But overall, this should be an easy way to do it because you're just cutting the panels and black felt underneath this thing, so you might see a little bit of fuzz going all about it, just like what you saw there. Now, if you want to take out one slat for an extra piece like what I'm doing here, I'm just taking out the staples that's attached to the felt on the back. And I'm just using this slat so that I can use it as a piece to flush it on the edge of my kitchen island. Now, each one of them is attached by those staples. Very easy to take out. Just use your needle nose pliers. And we're just going to flush it and try to make it flush with the plywood board. Okay, so I'm just using my brad nailer to get that in place, and then I'm just going to be marking out where we're going to nail this plywood so that we can have a nice steady surface before we apply the wooden slat panels. And now you're just going to install these wooden slat panels side by side. Very easy to do. Just put them together. Use your brad nailer to secure in place. So one thing that I like to add, friends, is that if you do these slats one by one, it might take a little bit of time because given you might have to plane it, you have to go and sand each one of the slats and then attach them. It could be very time consuming. So the Wood Veneer Hub has created these slat panels to make it super easy and make any design for your needs easy to install, great for your everyday DIY. So once again, friends, make sure you check out the Wood Veneer Hub. I'll leave their website on the link down below. Check out their website and you can see all the various slats they can provide for your needs. All right, friends, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.